typical for this multimeters. So these studs here are broken, and usually if you're using glue or something, not work. So I will try to repair it in a bit better way. I don't know if it will be success or not, but let's try. I don't know what kind of plastic this it's it, but it's a very brittle. Ay! Pieces. Oh. This one is totally broken. The second one just left here. Okay, so at least let's try. To tell the truth, is some traces of previous owner tried to use the glue, but without big success. Okay, but first of all, of course, I also will use the glue on the first step. This one was this simpler. With the second one will be not so easy. Let's check it. The voltage here we have testing points for 12 volt and for reference, but for 12 volts. Let's check it. And where will be ground? Where will be ground? Okay, B2 should be 0. Should be ground. Here, so okay, and here not. So definitely this is this inverter. This is definitely this inverter board, because I have few of them, and I just swap this board minutes ago, and means this board not working, because if I swap it, second multimeter starts working. So this is this board. I don't know I don't know yet what's happened. I not see here any visible damage. Nothing is burned. No discoloration on any components. But of course we have 4 tantalum capacitors, and that can be problem, because sometimes they get the shortage in older equipment. So it's hard to check the components inside the board, but we are sure. So this is this board, so let's start it. Okay, let's check it in a different position, just to be sure. So this is definitely wrong. Get the shortage. What we have here, (22 microfarads for 16 volts. Finally I found these tantalum capacitors and replaced them, but unfortunately it's not work. It's even worse than it was. Inverter board is a next fault which I have to trace. It will be not easy. I am not a perfect in silicon electronics, so for the time being I print out diagram in 2 pieces, stitch it together to analyze if I can bypass this inverter board, because this is inverter for powering meter from the battery, but I have no battery and have no plans to use the batteries, so maybe I can bypass this meter, this inverter board. From few good minutes I try to analyze this diagram with like a part of success or not. Anyway, it looks like we can bypass this inverter, at least for the time being, because it's powered from this part of power supply, and here is connected B1 and B2 is connected these headers B1 and B2, so it's even matching is on this part of diagram, and B0 and is B1, B2 and B3, so it's exactly B1, B2 and B3 here. I don't know how it operates with this transformer. It's strange, but I'm not perfect. I'm rather amateur. Okay, but without inverter board it not wanna work at all. It means something have to go through this board, and I check on the second part of schematic. It looks like if we bypass this, it means we connect together headers B7 and B8, connectors on header B7 and B8, B7 and B6, sorry, these two, it should start without powering inverter, because this line is powering inverter, and it looks like this line is operated by this relay. I don't know why they design like that, but they design like that. Okay, so let's try. So we have B6 and B7. Ay. It's not matching at all. I definitely have to buy kind of better camera, but no, money is not the most important, but without money it's hard to do anything. I don't see any smoke. It's a good sign. Okay, so let's say it's working. So I will assemble this, and this board will go to the box with things I will repair later. It's quite big box, and of course it's a lack of these keys, push buttons. It's hard to buy, but maybe I manage to do something right now. It will be like that. I don't know who designed this cover, but it was a kind of madman.